Welcome to our video on the incredible construction tools and technologies that are revolutionizing the way we build. From advanced formwork systems to innovative robotic solutions, these tools are simplifying the construction process, enhancing efficiency, and reducing costs. Let's dive into the top 11 tools and technologies that are making a significant impact in the construction industry. Rhino Carbon Fiber Crack Lock System. The Rhino Carbon Fiber Crack Lock System is designed to repair and reinforce cracks in concrete structures. Each carbon fiber stitch is 12 inches long and crafted from unidirectional prepreg carbon fiber, providing a tensile strength of 2,900 beer per stitch. This material is 10 times stronger than steel, yet remains lightweight and non-corrosive. The installation process involves cutting a thin slit across the crack, drilling small holes, and filling the slit with a high-strength, fast-curing anchoring epoxy. This method is efficient, requiring minimal concrete removal, and results in a strong, durable repair with minimal aesthetic impact. AFS Logic Wall System. The AFS Logic Wall System is a game changer for constructing structural walls. This system uses prefabricated lightweight panels made of fiber cement sheets that remain in place after concrete is poured, creating a durable composite structure. These panels are available in various thicknesses and can be fitted with single or double reinforcement, making them adaptable for different applications such as facades, lift shafts, and basement walls. The system accelerates construction timelines, reduces labor costs, and meets or exceeds National Construction Code requirements, offering superior fire resistance and excellent acoustic and thermal insulation. Pipe Life Slab 16 Heating and Cooling System. The Pipe Life Slab 16 system is an advanced sealing, heating, and cooling solution integrated into concrete slabs. By embedding multi-layer pipes into the slab structure, this system provides efficient temperature regulation, maintaining a comfortable indoor climate while preserving space. The system uses durable multi-layer pipes embedded just 0.4 inches below the slab surface, ensuring effective thermal transfer and consistent heating and cooling throughout the year. This modular design simplifies installation, reducing labor costs and minimizing disruptions. Parthenon On-Site Stormwater Detention (OSD) System. The Parthenon OSD system is a high-capacity modular solution for managing stormwater runoff in urban environments. This system can handle volumes from 150,000 to 8 million liters and is suitable for both small and large-scale projects. Engineered to meet heavy vehicle impact loadings, the system is installed beneath roads, car parks, or parklands, optimizing land use without compromising structural integrity. The precast design ensures quick installation, often completed within a single day, and includes features like sediment bays and stormwater harvesting capabilities. Brick-a-wood houses. Brick-a-wood houses are constructed using an advanced system of interlocking wooden bricks made from sustainably sourced Douglas fir wood. These bricks are designed to interlock without the need for nails, screws, or glue, significantly simplifying and accelerating the construction process. The unique design ensures mechanical rigidity and structural stability, contributing to the overall durability of the houses. Brick-a-wood homes meet the passive house standard, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature without additional heating or cooling. EcoDome Geodesic Domes. EcoDome specializes in the design and manufacture of geodesic domes known for their versatility, durability, and ease of assembly. These domes, constructed from lightweight and durable aluminum frames, can be customized with various panel types, including polycarbonate, insulated, and glass options. The Pro Series domes, equipped with insulated panels, provide excellent thermal performance and are ideal for more permanent and weather-resistant uses. EcoDome's mission is rooted in sustainability and user-centric design, making their products accessible for DIY assembly. Pipe Life Pro Piping Solutions. Pipe Life Pro offers a specialized range of durable and high-performance piping solutions tailored for plumbing, heating, and renewable energy applications. The Qualex Plus Easy Lay pipe is highly regarded for its flexibility, ease of installation, and compatibility with a variety of fittings. This pipe simplifies installation processes, making it ideal for both residential and commercial projects. The PIP Life Pro range also includes polypropylene manholes that are crafted from a material known for its exceptional strength, weldability, and resistance to harsh chemicals and groundwater. Polymetaforms. Polymetaforms offers a good alternative to traditional wood forms in concrete construction made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE. These forms are about 50% lighter than wood, enhancing ease of use while maintaining durability. Available in straight, rigid, flexible, and curb and gutter forms, each is designed to meet specific construction needs. The flexibility and precision of these forms make them ideal for projects requiring straight edges and consistent form dimensions. Brette House Rustic 20XL Modular Cabin. The Brett House Rustic 20XL is a foldable, modular cabin that exemplifies sustainable and efficient design. Built from cross-laminated timber, CLT, this material is eco-friendly, sourced from renewable forests, and offers excellent durability, including resistance to seismic forces and fire. The cabin folds into 3 compact sections, making it incredibly portable and ideal for vacation homes, glamping sites, or emergency disaster relief shelters. Assembly is quick, typically taking only about 3 hours, and transport requires just 1 truck. HouseBot's HB1 Wall Climbing Robot. The HouseBot's HB1 is a highly advanced robot engineered for building inspection, maintenance, and painting. Featuring a robust suction system powered by dual electric fans, it generates 92 lbs of downforce, allowing it to securely adhere to various surfaces. The robot operates on a 110-volt tether connected to a ground control unit and can scale heights of up to 98 feet. Equipped with 4 rubber wheels, it can carry up to 13 lb of payload, including tools for tasks like spray painting and HD camera work. The HB1 significantly reduces the risk of accidents and promises considerable cost savings. GL Knucklehead Rooftop Support System. The GL Knucklehead Rooftop Support System is designed to support heavy rooftop equipment like HVAC units and solar panels. Each Knucklehead unit is constructed from fiberglass reinforced nylon, providing a high strength-to-weight ratio and chemical resistance. The system is height adjustable, allowing for precise leveling to accommodate different rooftop surfaces and equipment needs. The Knucklehead can be customized with different head types and bases to fit various applications, and it includes slip-resistant pads that protect the roof membrane, enhancing stability and longevity. These incredible construction tools and technologies are transforming the way we build, making processes more efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable. Whether you're a construction professional or just interested in the latest innovations, these tools are set to revolutionize the industry. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on cutting-edge construction technologies. Thanks for watching.